Welcome to day 18 of the 30 days to the roots of yoga. For today's class, I'll be guiding you through a 10-minute morning dhyana practice. So as soon as you're ready, just setting yourself up in a comfortable seated position, coming into Sukhasana or any comfortable seat that helps you to stay still and find stillness within the mind and the body. And a few releasing breaths before we begin, inhaling through the nose and taking the shoulders up to the ears. Exhale, take the shoulders down as you breathe out through the mouth. A couple more times. Just preparing our bodies for our dhyana practice today. We'll start to take the head round in a circle, opening through the neck and the shoulders. And then taking it in the opposite direction. And slowly bringing it back to center when you're ready. Taking 2 big shoulder rolls going backwards. And then settling the body into stillness. And bringing the hands into Gyan Mudra if you like. So taking the index fingers to the base of the thumb. And extending the other 3 fingers out, palms facing up, spine upright but relaxed, and resting the hands on the thighs, keeping the eyes closed or softening the gaze. Let the body be steady and allow the effort to be minimal throughout today's practice. And today's class is going to be centered around sakshi bhava, which is the attitude of silent witness. It's awareness that notices without interfering with anything that's happening within the mind or the body. And it's a foundational concept in Raja Yoga and Vedantic meditation, which naturally leads us from dharana into dhyana. So using this concept, beginners are asked not to control our minds, but we're taught to observe it. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing for today's practice. So gently bringing awareness to the breath and trying not to change it, but simply noticing that breathing is happening. The breath is flowing through the body. And feel your body sitting. Feel the surface beneath you, whether you're sitting on the ground, your bed, or a chair. And settle into practice as you start to prepare awareness while settling the nervous system. Now bring awareness to the sense of noticing. So you might be noticing your breathing. You might be aware of the sensations running through your body. You might be noticing the thoughts that are popping up as you bring the body into stillness. Simply observe them without following them. This noticing or witnessing is called sakshi, or the witness itself. And remaining as the witness, allow yourself to notice the breath, how it moves, and how it flows in and out of the body. Now notice how thoughts appear as you try to cultivate silence and stillness. Trying not to hang on to any of these thoughts, allow them to move through the mind. And then noticing the sensations that are shifting throughout the body. Trying not to correct or improve anything. So if your mind gets involved, just allow yourself to step back into noticing and witnessing. And resting in awareness here as the one who observes. Allow yourself to bear witness to this continuous awareness, not concentrating through force, but allowing yourself to be exactly as you are. Notice the space between thoughts. Notice any underneath activity that might be happening quietly. Remaining steady throughout whatever's happening, knowing that there's nothing to achieve and nowhere to be. Just complete awareness on the present moment. And then just staying with whatever's coming up for you over the next couple of minutes. No pressure to perform this meditation in any way. Just knowing that simply joining today and making space for yourself is an act of meditating itself. And gently bringing back awareness to the body. Once again, feeling the seat that you're in and the surface beneath you. Bring awareness back to any external sounds and release the hand of the mudra. Allow yourself to keep this sense of witnessing as you open up your eyes and carry out the rest of your day. Option to come into Shavasana after this practice, or you can simply stay here for a little bit longer if you like. Otherwise, bringing the hands together at the heart center into Anjali Mudra. And then bowing your head down to the heart, thank yourself and your body for your practice. And thank you for joining me for today's class.